This is another type of problem, p square plus 6p plus 8. First check any common factors among all these terms. So here there are no common factors. Then check for square numbers. Here p square is a square number and 8 is not a square number. So you can check this expression whether it is in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So ab here is 8 and a plus b is equal to 6. So you have to take two numbers. If you add those two numbers, it should be 6, and if you multiply those two numbers, it should be 8. So those numbers are 2 and 4, because 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So apply these 2 and 4 here. P square plus 6p we can write as 2p plus 4p. 2p plus 4p plus 8. Then here p square plus 2p, p is common, so p into p plus 2 plus here 4 is common, 4 into p plus 2. So here in these two terms again p plus 2 is common, so p plus 2 into p plus 4. These are factors of this expression. This is another type of problem, p square plus 6p minus 16. So first check any common factors among all these terms. Here there are no common factors. Then check for square numbers. Here p square is a square number and 16 is a square number. But here there is a minus sign, so you cannot apply a square plus 2ab plus b square here. But you can check like this: a square is equal to p square, b square is equal to 4 square, then 2ab is equal to, you will get 8p. That is not equal to 6p. So you cannot apply a square plus 2ab plus b square here. So just try for x square plus a plus b into x plus ab form. So here ab is equal to minus 16 and a plus b is equal to 6. Then choose two numbers. If you add those two numbers, that should be 6, and if you multiply those two numbers, that should be minus 16. Those numbers are 8 and minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 and 8 into minus 2 is equal to minus 16. Then apply these two values here, 8 and minus 2 here. So p square plus 8p minus 2p, then that is 6p minus 16. Then p square plus 8p, p is common, so p into p plus 8 minus 2 here is, minus 2 is common here, so minus 2 into p plus minus 2 into plus 8 is minus 16, so plus 8. Again p plus 8 is common, so p plus 8 into p minus 2. This is another type of problem, 3x square plus 10x plus 3. You can check for common factors. Here there are no common factors, and square numbers, here there are no square numbers. So check for x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here ab is 3 into 3, because here x square is a coefficient, numerical coefficient of 3. So multiply this 3 with this 3. Then ab is equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. And a plus b here is 10. So write 10 here. You have to choose two numbers that should, if you add those numbers, that should be 10. And if you multiply those two numbers, that should be 9. So those numbers are 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 9 into 1 is 9. So apply these two values here. Then you can write this expression as 3x square plus 10x. We can write as 9x plus x plus 3. So you can take the common factors here, 3x into x plus 3 plus here x plus 3, the common factor is 1. So 1 into x plus 3. Again you check these two terms, x plus 3 is common, so x plus 3 into 3x plus 1. This is another type of problem, 7x minus 6 minus 2x square is the algebraic expression. If you observe this expression, here the first term should have the highest power. So you have to rearrange this term here, minus 2x square plus 7x minus 6. So here there are no common factors and no square numbers. So here ab is minus 2 into minus 6, that is 12, and a plus b is 7. So if you choose the numbers 4 and 3, then 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4 into 3 is 12. So you have to write minus 2x square plus 7x, we can write as 4x plus 3x minus 6. So minus 2x is common here, and into x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 2. Then x minus 2 into 3 minus 2x are the factors of this expression.